What's up, YouTube? This is Hefner here with another YouTube video. Let me kick it off with the praying hands emoji. You know what I'm saying? In today's video, we're going to talk about too much beard and my perspective from the other side of the fence. You know, a lot of videos on YouTube are of guys trying to get a beard. They're using products, whether it be supplements or over-the-counter things like drops and whatnot, to try to achieve some sort of facial hair bliss, right? Me personally, I've never really had that issue. I've been able to grow a beard since basically 13 or 14. And to be honest, we had to shave down all our facial hair because I went to a private high school and they didn't allow facial hair. So what I want to talk about is from the perspective of somebody who can grow a beard and doesn't necessarily conform to the social norms of keeping it low, keeping it short. And I kind of just let my genetics do what it do because it's fun to me. It's fun to see what I can, my beard can grow. And my Google Home just said something for no reason to ruin my video. Anyway, I do believe that, you know, the comments can get to you. You know, friends and family are gonna say your beard is too long, especially being in corporate America. You know, although there may not be any stipulations or things in the HR handbook that says you can't have a long beard, you're gonna kind of get the side eye from upper management and colleagues. So you know, and then there was from personal experience, there's also been situations as far as going to the airport and with what's that thing called, that global thing where you scan your face and you go right in. Having a beard can kind of bring flags on that as well. So my opinion is this: do whatever you want to do with your face. Don't let outside factors stop you from doing essentially what you want to do. To be honest, one of the blessings from the quarantine of the pandemic, we're still in the pandemic, was I got to work from home. And if it wasn't for that, I would not have known how much my beard would grow. I wouldn't know that I could even grow a curly fro. Like, I was the clean cut, short hair, minimal facial hair of anything guy. So I plan on doing a couple of experiments for this channel, just to give some tips for either bearded brothers or brothers in training, and things of that nature. So stay tuned. Again, don't let naysayers stop you from doing whatever you want to do as far as your beard and whatnot. I will say one thing, for the guys who are trying to get the facial hair for the ladies, there's never going to be a middle ground. From my experience, it's one or the other. Ladies either say shave that crap off, or the other side is, oh my god, I love your beard. I can't tell you the amount of times out in public, can I touch your beard? Oh my god, juices and berries, all types of innuendos. So anyway, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you have a beard? Do you have too much beard? Where are you on your beard journey? What are some of the type of things you'd like to see from this channel? Again, this is going to be primarily a men's channel. It's not only going to be about beards. It's called The Bearded Hefner because I'm Hefner and I have a beard. I'm a guy on YouTube with a beard, but I want to get into topics such as health, fitness. I am a NASM certified personal trainer, so I can help you get any type of things you're trying to do as far as getting bigger arms, bigger bench, bigger squat, whatever the case may be. So like the video, subscribe, ring the bell, all the stuff that the YouTubers say, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.